All right, hello again. We're going to simplify this radical expression here. We have 8r minus 24s over 3r minus s divided by 12s minus 4r over 2r minus 4s. And our answer choice is simply going to be one of these fractions here listed. So first off, let's go ahead and I'm going to write 8r minus 24s divided by 3r minus 6s. Remember that when we divide by a fraction, it is equivalent to multiplying by the reciprocal of that fraction. So let's put 2r minus 4s on top and 12s minus 4r on the bottom. And the next thing that you should notice is that we have a lot of multiples here. For example, 24 is a multiple of 8, 6 is a multiple of 3, 4 is a multiple of 2, and 12 is a multiple of 4. And what this means is that we can pull out some greatest common factors of each numerator and denominator. So let's do that. We have 8r minus 24s, and the greatest common factor of 8r minus 24s is actually 8. So we're going to pull an 8 out of there. Now 8r minus 8 is r, minus 24s divided by 8 is 3s. The greatest common factor of 3r and minus 6s is 3. So let's pull that out. 3r divided by 3 is r, minus 6s divided by 3 is 2s, times the greatest common factor of 2r and minus 4s is 2. Pull that out. 2r divided by 2 is r, minus 4s divided by 2 is 2s. The greatest common factor of 12s and minus 4r is 4. Let's pull that out. And 12s divided by 4 is 3s. Minus 4r divided by 4 is simply r. All right, now what we want to do next is see if we have any of the same factors in the numerator as we do in the denominator. And we can see right now we have an r minus 2s down here and an r minus 2s up here. So those are going to divide out to become 1. And let's take a look at the coefficients here also. The 2 and the 3, they're going to remain the same. The 8 and the 4, we can pull out a greatest common factor there. The biggest number that goes into 4 and 8 is 4, so let's pull out that 4. 4 divided by 4 is just going to become 1, so that's going to cross out. 8 divided by 4 is going to become 2. So let's see what we have left. Let's multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. And we still have r minus 3s. And we simply have a 3 on the bottom, along with the 3s minus r. Now, as you can see, none of these answers look exactly like what we have, so we know that we still have some work to do. If you notice, we have a positive r and a minus 3s in the numerator, and a positive 3s and a minus r in the denominator. What this tells us is that we can factor out a negative 1 from either the top or the bottom. And I'm going to do it from the bottom, so let's leave 4, parentheses r minus 3s, over 3, and we said we were going to factor out a negative 1. Now, if I factor out a negative 1, the 3s is going to become negative, and the r is going to become positive. And at this point, all we have to do is rearrange the terms, because the r's are positive and the 3s's are negative, so let's do that. So we have 4, parentheses r minus 3s, over 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And we're going to write the r first and the negative 3s second. Once again, we have the same factor in the numerator as we do the denominator, so they divide out to become 1, and we're left with negative 4 over 3, which is answer choice A.